Ready to make your home feel extra magical this holiday season? These cozy and creative Christmas decor ideas will transform any space, inside or out, with zero stress. From warm accents to festive statement pieces, everything here is designed to spark inspiration and holiday cheer. All links are in the description. Here's a fun way to bring holiday magic to your space. You start with simple wooden crates and turn them into a charming Christmas truck you can decorate any way you like. A wooden circle cut in half creates the perfect front wheel wells, and you can paint the whole thing bright red for that classic festive look. Plates make great wheels, giving your truck a bold, playful style. Add string lights and watch it glow like a tiny holiday parade right in your home. Here's a fun project that turns your home into a cozy Christmas scene. You can make your own Santa's sleigh by cutting the pieces from wood or cardboard, using a machine or just your hands. Templates online make the shapes easy to trace, so you get clean, smooth curves every time. Don't forget the reindeer. You can cut those from cardboard too. Set it all up in your home, and it instantly becomes a charming holiday display. Here's a holiday DIY that looks magical the moment you turn it on. Start with a simple umbrella and place Christmas lights inside so the whole thing glows from within. Add extra string lights around the edges and secure everything with a bit of glue. Then decorate the hanging strands with ornaments, ribbons, or tiny bells. Hang it above your doorway, and you've got a floating umbrella of lights welcoming everyone in. Turn any window into a winter wonderland with this simple DIY. Grab some snow spray and stencil your favorite Christmas shapes, trees, stars, or reindeer directly onto the glass. Layer them for a frosted, dimensional look that catches the light beautifully. It's quick, mess-free, and instantly festive. Perfect for adding holiday cheer both inside and outside your home. Nothing says winter charm like a glowing polar bear family in your yard. This set features a mother bear and her playful cub, both wrapped in shimmering fabric that sparkles under the lights. They come pre-lit with bright LEDs that stay cool, so you get all the glow without the worry. A sturdy wire frame, zip ties, and stakes keep everything steady through wind and weather. Set them up outside and watch your whole yard feel instantly more magical. Welcome guests with a sweet touch using this DIY gingerbread house doormat. Start with a plain brown mat and paint a charming gingerbread house design in white. Trim any extra edges to give it a neat, finished look. The result is a festive, playful mat that sets the holiday mood before anyone even steps inside. Simple, fun, and perfect for spreading Christmas cheer at your doorstep. Turn a plain mailbox into a festive centerpiece with this DIY Christmas tree mailbox. Add several rods to hold green ornaments and shape them around the stand to mimic a tree. Wrap string lights from a small battery around the whole setup for a glowing effect. Hang ornaments evenly to complete the look. In minutes, your mailbox transforms into a cheerful, holiday-ready tree that welcomes everyone. If you want your tree to look like a real winter wonderland, these crystal icicles make it happen. Each one is handmade, so you get tiny differences in shape and bubbles that make them feel like real frozen drips. They're made from sturdy glass that feels cool and weighty, giving your decor a touch of elegance you can actually feel. You just tie the silver threads and hang them wherever you like. On trees, windows, garlands, or gifts. They sparkle beautifully everywhere. Create your own winter magic with this DIY snowman snow globe. Start with an empty globe and add tiny Santas, snowmen, or festive figurines inside, securing them with glue. Sprinkle in white frost to mimic falling snow and glue everything in place. For an extra touch, add a small snowman face on top of the globe. Shake it gently, and you've got a charming, handmade snowy scene perfect for the holidays. Turn your favorite books into festive decor with this clever DIY. Stack open books on top of each other, letting the pages fan out to create a tree shape. Wrap ribbons and string lights around each tree for a sparkling, colorful effect. You can make several in different sizes to line a shelf or table. In minutes, you've got a stack of charming mini Christmas trees that are both creative and cozy. Here's a holiday piece that instantly steals the spotlight. This giant nutcracker stands as tall as you, giving your home a true centerpiece that guests can't miss. It comes completely white, so you can keep it clean and classic or paint your own design using the included template. The sturdy plastic build means it works indoors or outside without worry. And with its quick, simple setup, you'll have it standing proud in just minutes. Keep the holiday spirit alive with these DIY Christmas gift topiaries. Start with large boxes stacked into a festive tower, then use PVC pipe to give it structure and height. Wrap each gift in your favorite holiday paper for a colorful, eye-catching look. You can make several to decorate your porch, entryway, or even indoors. It's a high-impact, budget-friendly project that instantly feels festive and fun. Create a festive planter with these DIY Santa boots. Start by adding foam to the top to cover the opening, creating a base for decorations. Fill them with ferns, holiday greens, and red berry plants for that classic Christmas look. Mix in different faux plants to make each boot full and vibrant. Place them by your door or on a porch, and instantly you've got a cheerful, holiday-ready display. Make tiny holiday accents with these DIY mini wreaths. Start with a small wreath and some rustic bells, then string 2 bells together and attach them to the wreath. Add a little festive bow, and your mini decoration is ready. These are perfect for hanging behind chairs, on doors, or even as part of a centerpiece. Simple, quick, and full of holiday charm. Here's a sweet holiday DIY that's almost good enough to drink. Start with a large plastic pot and paint it bright red to look like a festive mug. Add a foam handle for that classic hot cocoa shape and a paper straw twisted like a candy cane. Glue on little white pieces to mimic marshmallows and finish it off with a painted snowflake on the front. It's giant, playful, and perfect for a whimsical holiday display. If you've ever wanted a garden entrance that feels straight out of a storybook, this arch makes it easy. It's built from sturdy steel tubing with a weather-ready finish, so you can leave it outside all season long. You can train climbing vines, flowers, or even hanging fruits to grow over the top, creating a lush green tunnel. Assembly is simple, and you can dress it up for parties with balloons or decor. Set it up once and watch your garden transform around it. Create personalized Christmas stockings for the whole family with this fun DIY. Start by cutting your chosen fabric into classic stocking shapes. Stitch the pieces together and add small decorations, beads, or festive trims to make each one unique. You can make a set for every family member, giving each stocking its own personality. Hang them by the fireplace or along a railing for a cozy, handmade holiday touch. Turn ordinary stairs into a festive showpiece with this simple DIY. Drape garlands along your stair railings, weaving them through for a full, lush look. Add twinkling string lights to make everything glow at night. Decorate with ornaments, ribbons, or small holiday trinkets to fill in any gaps. In minutes, your staircase becomes a cheerful centerpiece that welcomes everyone in with holiday spirit. Bring cozy vibes to any room with a DIY cardboard fireplace. Start by stacking 2 boxes on each side to form the base. Cut some boxes in half, tape them together, and place them on top for the mantle. Use extra cardboard to shape the front, then paint the whole thing in warm, festive colors. Finish it off with a sheet of wallpaper for a realistic touch, and suddenly your space feels extra inviting. Giant 3D candy canes instantly turn any corner into a festive wonderland. Made from simple cardstock, they pop with classic red and white stripes that match any holiday theme. You can follow a template or get creative with your own cuts, stacking pieces to make them sturdy and three-dimensional. Place them around your tree, entryway, or mantle for a bold, playful look. They're lightweight, easy to make, and perfect for adding that extra holiday cheer. Nothing sets the holiday mood faster than a classic mix of red and gold. This set gives you a whole collection of shiny, matte, and glittery ornaments that instantly brighten any tree or garland. They're lightweight, shatter-resistant, and come with strings already attached, so you can decorate without any fuss. Use them on wreaths, banisters, or centerpieces to tie your whole space together. Simple, bright, and festive, they make every corner feel more cheerful. Turn any play tent into a magical Christmas hideaway for kids. Start by draping garland from the top and wrapping it down the sides, connecting sections as needed to cover the whole tent. Add twinkling lights, ornaments, and a festive bow to make it sparkle. Don't forget cozy blankets and pillows inside for the ultimate reading nook. In minutes, you've got a whimsical, warm space that feels straight out of a holiday story. Here's a crafty way to make unique holiday lanterns. Start with simple photo frames and attach 4 legs to give them height. Add a smaller box behind for depth, then place a metallic bowl on the base for a shiny touch. Use wooden cubes, rings, and dowels cut into crosses to create interesting shapes inside. Paint everything however you like, and you'll have a custom lantern that's both festive and artistic. Bring a touch of magic to your yard with these solar Santa watering can lights. They soak up sunlight all day and shine colorful lights at night, creating a cheerful holiday glow. Made from weather-resistant metal, they stay bright through rain, snow, or frost. Place them along pathways, in your garden, or on your patio for instant festive charm. No wiring needed, just set them out and let them sparkle. Create a cozy holiday vibe with this simple DIY centerpiece. Start with a flat basket as your base and layer in some festive Christmas ferns. Place a cylinder glass in the middle and add a candle for a warm glow. Wrap a few string lights around the arrangement to make it sparkle even more. Set it on your table and instantly your space feels festive and inviting. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.